Most people don't know that when the insurance company sends out one of their approved contractors, that contractor has to pay an average of 5% of the cost of their loss for your lead. Imagine having a $100,000 loss to your home from a fire or water leak, and your contractor is only paid $95,000 to complete that $100,000 loss. The Insurance Recovery Corporation, a Class A builder, relies on word of mouth for new customers, and then we put that 5% back into your home in the form of upgrades, making your home better than it was. We can turn your dated bathroom into a modern spa. We can give your 70s kitchen the update you have always wanted. In short, we can turn your insurance claim into a renovation, all depending on the amount of the loss. We always try to put your home back better than it was. This free service is only available through the Insurance Recovery Corporation of America. If you have a property insurance claim in the Lynchburg or Danville, Virginia area, contact us for a free consultation through www.ircoa.net.